In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use z-index in Elementor. First thing you need to do is to head over to elementor.com and click on the this Get Started option right here in order to create an account. Or if you already have one, head over and click on Login. Now, if you hosted your website using Elementor host, you can just proceed with this. But if you hosted it using WordPress or WooCommerce, you can head over and then log into your account from there as well. So here is actually my Elementor editor. Now in this, the z-index is actually a property that specifies the stack order of elements. So in that way, you can layer them and use the overlay option. So in order, for example, in this part, just head over and click on a specific element. And then from in there, you can see its style, and in here you can see advanced. Head over and click on that. From in there, scroll down, and here you can see your z-index. On default, your z-index is usually 0, and all of your elements are 0. So for example, if you make this one, this will make it stand out and be above all others. If you want to actually overlay two parts, you need to make an element 1 and another element 2. So the higher the number, the higher its placed onto the z-index onto the actual overlay. So you can access it by going to this particular tab, and you can locate it and assign a numeric value for this. Higher values bring elements forward with your element. For example, z-index of 10 will sit above an element with z-index of 5. In that case, lower values send elements backward. So for example, you can also input right here -1 or -2 if you want it. So you can consider starting with low values if you want, and it only works on positioned elements. And usually Elementor often handle this automatically. And in here you can actually edit it if you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.